Hello, welcome to the Butterfly Learning's YouTube channel. I am your host Snehala. क्या आप कंसर्न्ड है अपने बच्चे के लैंग्वेज स्किल्स को लेके? आइए जानते हैं लैंग्वेज स्किल्स कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम आवर एक्सपर्ट स्पीकर डॉक्टर सोनम कोठारी.
To develop language skills in any child, be it neurotypical or neurodivergent, you require a lot of vocabulary. The child needs to learn a lot of vocabulary to make a complete sentence. For example, suppose I want to say the sentence, please get the bottle from the table. In that, get is a verb, bottle and table are nouns, the is an article, from is basically a preposition. So, to make a complete sentence, I need to know all these parts of speech. How do you teach parts of speech to a kid? You usually teach it either by auditory stimulation, that means by talking, or you teach them by visual stimulation, by showing those things. So, when we develop language, we have to teach them nouns, we have to teach them verbs, we have to link the noun and the verb. That means, how do we drink? We drink with our mouth. What do we use to write? We use the pen. So basically, functional linking of those nouns and verbs, then adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, and so on. To teach them, we have developed a complete labeling or a tagging kit. This kit is basically flashcards of various parts of speech. It can be a noun, a verb, a description of a complete picture, for example, a picnic or a circus or maybe a birthday party. It can be adverbs, it can be prepositions, and so on. So the whole array of the parts of speech have been developed by us in the form of small cards which can be used to teach language to any kid ranging from as early as 2 years of age to 5 to 7 years of age, be the child neurotypical or neurodivergent. The kit consists of cards based on their age. So it has been divided into 18 months of age, till 18 months of age, till 3 years of age, and then more than 3 years of age. So the complexity of cards varies, the parts of speech varies. For example, it's nouns, it's only nouns in the less than 18 months of age, but it includes nouns and verbs in the 18 to 36 months of age, and later it includes a lot of descriptions as well. The whole kit has been designed to teach language to the kid ranging from all ages.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Also, do subscribe to the Butterfly Learning's YouTube channel for more such informative content. Join our WhatsApp community using the link given in the description below. Thank you.